Have you ever feel like you're practicing, you're being consistent, but you don't seem to be getting better? And what's even worse, you feel like you're getting worse. And the feeling is, I'm failing. What if I told you that you're not failing? What if I told you that actually that's what progress feels like before it arrives? I'd like you to accept one practical thing that's going to make your life easier. Most days are hard. I divided these hard days in 3 different zones and I'd like to share them with you. Let's start with the first one, the red zone. The red zone are the really rough days. Days you feel frustrated, depressed, the days when you are full of doubts and questions. What's the point? Why am I investing time in this? Why am I investing money? I don't seem to be improving at all. Perhaps I should choose a different hobby. And then we're moving to the yellow zone. And I call this zone the grind days. You're not thrilled with anything you do, but you're not hopeless either. Every time you're practicing, you're feeling a certain resistance, but also you're starting to gather momentum. It feels like work that needs to get done. You feel a certain tired sort of joy. You feel like, there is this heavy thing I need to lift, but I know when I lift it, I'm going to get stronger because of it, so I'm going to do it. And from time to time, you're even feeling this certain flicker of hope and ambition. Then comes the green zone, the zone I'd like to call the quietly hopeful days. Those are the high days, the days when it's not really yet the full wave of progress that you're waiting for, but the days when you feel little breakthroughs. A little passage that might work out, a little note that you will hit just the right way to give you certain pleasure. And that's all you need. It's like somebody whispering to you that you're on the right path. And then comes the wave of progress. That moment we've all been waiting for. When everything works out and everything comes together. All your passages work, you feel light, your fingers, your hands feel flexible. Everything works out, the musical lines that you are playing, you could finally enjoy them to the fullest. Those are the days when you feel like it was all worth it. These days give you energy. It's like, everything I've invested, all the money I invested into lessons, all the time and energy I invested into practicing, it was all worth it. I feel that like there is nothing better in the world than playing the piano. And then I saw a great quote by a great actor, Tom Hanks. He said something that stuck with me for a very long time and I will always remember it. He said,
I wish I had known that this too shall pass. You feel bad right now? You feel pissed off? You feel angry? This too shall pass. You feel great? You feel like you know all the answers? You feel like that everybody finally gets you and there you are? This too shall pass. Time is your ally and if nothing else, just wait. Just wait it out.
And that's so true for both things, for the really rough days, for the hard days, all the yellow, all the different zones that I mentioned, but also this wave of progress, this great day or a few days when you feel everything is working out. This too shall pass. And that's not a bad thing. I think that's a wonderful thing to remember because that's the reality of it. And it teaches you that you don't need to chase the highs. All you need to do is to stay steady, consistent and cool-headed. That's all you need to do. You let the progress come to you and you do every day what you're supposed to do. That's all. And I want to close the video by saying that the key is just to show up. You don't need to start your day hoping that today is going to be that amazing day that everything is going to work out. You don't need to do that. You just need to know that progress is just around the corner. You show up, you sit behind the piano, and it's going to be one of these difficult days, it's going to be one of the zones, or it's going to be an amazing day. And they will all pass, and tomorrow will be another day. And my advice to you and to myself would be, because I need that too, we all need it, as professional pianists as well, we feel and we experience these kind of feelings every single day, is stay calm in the low moments and stay humble in the high moments. Again, progress is just around the corner. All you need to do is keep walking there. See you in the next one.